So do you hear those angels singing? Well, they're singing because they know that we're now turning our attention to treatises. They are that amazing. In fact, the other day I was at the Michigan Supreme Court. I had done some research on a case, and I was there watching oral arguments. And I had done some research. I read the brief, and I had read a treatise on it. And I was amazed at how similar the treatise, at least the law used in the treatise, was basically the law used in the brief. That's how amazing treatises are. If you find one on point, it will lead you to a ton of law. So it was a Michigan no-fault case, which is auto insurance. And so I could imagine the author went here to ICL, it went to Michigan no-fault automobile cases, and then it went to the chapter on point, which for us was chapter 2. And in chapter 2, they read about this Iqbal case, they read about Barnes down here, and they read about 3113. Now I'm going to show you the brief from the case. This is the opening argument section for the brief. Look at the statute. It's 500.3113. That was in the treatise. It opens with Barnes. That was in the treatise. And it continues with Iqbal, which was also in the treatise. So like the main cases this author relied on are right here in the treatise. So that's why treatises are amazing. They focus on one area of law. This treatise that we were just looking at focuses on just Michigan no-fault law. It's written by an expert. And was it cited here in the brief? No, because that's why that's why authors write treatises, to lead us to primary authority. You don't have to cite them. Now, of course, if you use word for word what they say, then you do need to cite. But if you're just using the law that they lead you to, you don't need to. So treatises are amazing. I showed you back in 2.3 how to find them. So use them. It will save you a ton of time. See you back in the book.